See what does the hard work around here.
Bonder.
Know it? Peterbilt would cry if he was using a job like that. That's nice. That's what I come to
Hey,
do.
and I'd like to apologize. I didn't mean to get the name and all that stuff on the side of this truck. I don't want to make anybody look
No,
bad.
you done that thing.
This is it. What this is. I just wanted to get it because it's an old road tractor. They retired back to the yard to be a spotter truck.
Hey,
But I think it's freaking cool. I think it's the best looking spotter truck I ever seen. That's why I wanted to get it on there.
What's the scanner do right there?
I think it's reading
All the width of the.
WH stands for.
Gotcha.
Width and height.
Oh yeah, gotcha. Bing. Here's your sign. How's it getting hot? Objective? I mean, it's got a triangulation. Is that how it's getting hot? On the sides?
It's got to have a sensor somewhere shooting down.
How's it getting enough angles in to where it's able to do that? So you can That's what I was.
Yeah, curtain scanner for the width, so it's more accurate than what we do. See, because what we do is we just use the key ounce as double. Well, if you can't skew anything like that, it exaggerates. You're measuring a.
So the scanner's not using the stop for its end. It's actually, you know, a full curtain up and down.
Yeah,
to do.
that's a full
Okay.
curtain scanner. Now the dot you see, that's a key ounce
That's
sensor.
what he was saying. Yeah.
Figuring the chain is 0, anything up in that's my height.
Uh-huh.
So both can.
So you just to get your chain 0, it's just a calibrating thing.
Absolutely.
And then once it's calibrated, then anything above that's.
It's for bands. And they'll set a band up on top of it.
I mean, you'd have to be able to get a band inside there.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm sorry. Well, it probably did. They're just building here for something. It's just a set off under something and clean something out. Ain't it? Maybe that's what that's for. Oh yeah.
Like right on the inside of the track, because it piles up that high all the way up to the. You just take it down and put it in the barn sweep. I don't know. It had to sit.
Yeah, that'd be pretty damn small.
Yeah. The hell, I mean, if a guy would shovel it 3 or 4 times a day, knock it down, I think it'd be run continuously.